Hey there, bookworms. Welcome back. Today, we will be reading Train by Judi Abbot. Train by Judi Abbot. Little elephant loved trains. Train. When Mommy and Daddy said dinner, little elephant said train. Pirate, train. Lion, train. Ball, train. For a special treat, little elephant's mommy and daddy took him on a real train. He was very excited. Train, 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 until plane. Cat didn't want to play trains. Train, plane, train, plane. Car. Penguin didn't want to play trains either. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, Digger. Digger, 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 digger. Plane, plane, car. Digger, 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 digger. Plane, plane, Train! Stormed little elephant. He had a terrible train tantrum. Train, 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 train. Tunnel! Everyone shouted, jumping into the air. When the train came out of the tunnel, everyone was in a heap, and their toys were all mixed up. Train? Said Cat. Plane? Said little elephant. This was new. This was fun. Train, plane, digger, digger. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, digger, digger. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, car. Digger, 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 digger. Train, plane, car. You've learned a lot of new words today, said little elephant's mommy and daddy. Little elephant nodded. He learned a lot of new words, and one very special one. Friends. The end. Thank you for reading Train with me today. If you enjoyed this story, tap that like button with your favorite book. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and keep those pages turning. Bye, bookworms.